In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic transfers and savings in the Wells Fargo app. Let's dive in and break it down step by step so you can manage your finances with ease and build your savings effortlessly. To start, grab your phone and open up the Wells Fargo mobile app. If you're not logged in already, go ahead and enter your username and password to access your account. You'll be greeted by the home screen, where you can see an overview of your accounts. Now, we're going to focus on the bottom menu. Look there and locate the option labeled Transfer and Pay. Give it a tap. Once you're in the Transfer and Pay section, you'll see a few options to choose from. What we're interested in here is labeled Transfer Money, so go ahead and select that. This is your gateway to setting up seamless automatic transfers between your accounts. Next, you'll need to specify the accounts involved in the transfer. This means choosing the account you want to transfer money from and the account you want to send that money to. As an example, you might be moving funds from your checking account into your savings account. This is a great way to make sure a portion of your income is regularly saved without you having to think about it. Once you have the account selected, it's time to decide on the amount you wish to transfer. Enter this amount carefully. If you're planning on setting this up for recurring transfers, consider what you can comfortably set aside each period to let your savings grow steadily over time. Now, here's where the magic happens. Within the frequency section, you'll find the option to select recurring. Choosing this option is what turns this transfer into an automatic process. Then you'll have to decide how often you want these transfers to occur. Maybe you prefer them weekly, or perhaps bi-weekly, or maybe monthly matches your needs better. It's totally up to you and your financial routine. As you make these decisions, also select a start date. This could align with your payday or another significant date that makes financial sense for you. Before we wrap up, it's important to go over everything one more time. Review all the details you've entered to make sure everything looks just right. Check which accounts are involved, the amounts, frequency, and start date. Once you're confident that everything is correct, your final step is to tap on Submit or Confirm, depending on what your version of the app says. And just like that, you've set up your automatic savings transfer. This process is a fantastic way to automate your savings and make sure that building your financial security is one less thing you have to think about during your busy week. You've taken a significant step towards more efficient money management and a healthier financial future. Thanks for tuning in today.